despite economic headwinds, we saw a lot of potential and growth last year. We saw gains in the banking sector of about 27%. We also then saw gains in energy and petroleum sector, slightly over 50% in that space. Overall, the securities exchange did well. There was quite some robust growth. We saw the market capitalization go up by 419.5 billion, which brought it to about 1.9 trillion Kenya shillings, a growth of slightly below 30% per annum.
Talked about the Eurobond, and it looks like the spectre of debt service, will continue to haunt us for a few years. And that's because, not my numbers, but the IMF. If you read the IMF Staff Report, on average, for the next 3 to 4 years, Kenya has $4.8 billion to roll over in external debt.
The government are struggling slightly to raise funding on the treasury bills and bonds. It's going to be expensive for them to raise debt, but also might get into a situation whereby taxes will be increased. The other one would be debt sustainability. Debt to GDP at 70%. That is likely going to be a key challenge going into the year. In terms of resilience, the market is still resilient. You're seeing strong performance at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. We're also then seeing certain sectors, again, such as banking, which are showing quite some promise. You're seeing the likes of JP Morgan come into the market, just showing that there's a lot of potential there. And then again, energy and infrastructure remains robust, where we expect to see more growth.
There are massive opportunities in AI, and I do think it's going to be transformational. And it's going to increase and transform productivity across our economies. We can't avoid it. We have to adapt and grow with it.
The first thing that Kenya businesses can do is embrace this change in technology, bring these technological changes into their businesses. So first thing is embrace. Secondly, strengthen their workforce, their human capital, so get proper training, get the right people on board. We'd also talk about a situation whereby foster partnerships to strengthen your proposition and help you capture opportunities with these changes in AI and technology. Lastly, enhance the use of data analytics to have better decision-making capabilities for these businesses. And so I believe those are I'd say 3 or 4 points that businesses should look at with these changes in technology and AI.